There is a gag clause in every insurance-based pharmacy in the country. In the contract, Blue Cross Blue Shield puts, you cannot disclose to a patient who's a Blue Cross patient that it's cheaper to buy this product with cash.
85% of the food that you are consuming started from a patented seed sold by a chemical corporation that was responsible for creating Agent Orange in the Vietnam War.
Doctors are simply trained to write a script, to, in a 15-minute appointment, name the condition and drug it.
An insurance company can't make profit without price gouging the American people. It's a for-profit organization. They make money off of the chronic disease, not by curing the disease, not by preventing the disease.
We cannot go on existing as a species if our largest institutions, our largest industries have co-opted our government itself and continue to profit trillions and trillions of dollars from us being sick.
Whoever wins this election, we're begging you to address this issue and to take this serious and to help stop this corporate capture and help Americans get healthy.
While it sounds grim, there is very good news. We can restore health to Americans rapidly.
It's not complex. It just takes political courage.